bad makeup days? Conquer every look with the BS Small 18-piece brush set, flawless, made easy. Ever wondered why your makeup doesn't look as polished as the tutorials? Blotchy foundation, streaky eyeshadow, and uneven blending can turn any beauty routine into frustration. You're not alone, most makeup struggles come down to using the wrong tools. That's where the BS Small 18-piece makeup brush set steps in to save the day. Designed for flawless application, this affordable yet luxurious set turns messy makeup into seamless perfection. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with beauty hacks or a pro creating art, this set is your secret weapon to unlock confidence with every stroke. What makes this brush set a game changer? It's all about the premium synthetic fibers, softer than clouds and dense enough to pack color perfectly. Unlike cheap brushes that shed or scratch, these glide like silk on skin and are gentle enough for sensitive skin types. From flawless foundation blending to sharp contouring, every brush is engineered for precision and comfort. Plus, with durable wood and alloy handles, you'll have a professional-grade grip for smoother control. Beauty doesn't have to be hard, this set makes it simple, seamless, and stunning. Ever spend hours cleaning brushes, only to end up with bristles falling out? Not anymore. These BS Small brushes are built to last, resisting shedding while keeping their shape and softness wash after wash. Their quick-dry design means no waiting days for clean brushes, and the included sleek black case keeps them organized for easy storage or travel. Whether you're prepping for a big event or touching up on the go, this set stays ready for action. Finally, brushes that work as hard as you do. Worried about spending a fortune on tools? Relax, this 18-piece set delivers pro-level performance at a fraction of the price. With brushes for foundation, blush, contour, brows, and eyeshadow, it's an all-in-one solution to simplify your makeup routine. Stop wasting money on single brushes and incomplete sets. This kit has everything you need without emptying your wallet. Affordable, durable, and drop-dead gorgeous in champagne gold, it's the ultimate value for beauty lovers who want quality without compromise. Still skeptical? Imagine stepping out every day with flawless makeup that looks professionally done, and knowing it only took minutes. Whether you're a makeup newbie or beauty expert, the BS Small 18-piece brush set has been trusted by millions for a reason. It's more than brushes, it's your confidence booster, time saver, and secret weapon in one. Ready to leave bad makeup days behind? Grab your set now and watch your beauty transformation begin.